Hello students. So we are seeing the chapter that is magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current. See, this chapter we are going to do. Okay. So we have discussed already what is magnet, strength of the magnetic field lines, direction of field lines, magnetic effect of electric current. We discussed all these things. So today in this class we will be discussing, okay. So what we will be discussing in this class, we will be discussing properties of magnetic field lines, then strength of the magnetic field lines. So I have already told you magnet will be there. Okay. So the lines will emerge from north and they will merge at south. The lines starts from north, ends at south. Okay, you can see still more lines. Yes. Yeah. So this is how the magnet will be. So you can make the color also. If you want. Okay, up to this much north and up to this much south. Okay. So north and south poles. Okay. They are there. See the north and south. Okay. Here it is south. So we know that what is magnet? Magnet is a material that attracts iron materials or iron like materials, say cobalt or nickel, small pieces of iron. So magnet is a material that attracts small pieces of iron or iron materials, and it will be pointed in the north and south direction when it is freely suspended in air. So that we call it as magnet. Okay. So we will move to the next concept. What is the next concept? Okay. So here magnetic field lines we have seen, it is a vector quantity. It should be having direction and it should be having magnitude also. Okay. So what is here? Direction also we have seen how the direction will be from north to south, outside the magnet, inside the magnet, south to north. So now we will see the magnetic field strength. Magnetic field strength. Magnetic field strength. See, if the lines are more, that means the magnetic field lines are crowded. If they are crowded ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, crowd ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಜನ ಭಾಳ ಜನ ಕೂಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು crowded ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳ ಜನ ಅದರ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ crowded, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್, crowd ಬಂದಿರ್ತದ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದ crowded, ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚು ಭಾಳ ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ crowded. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಭಾಳ ಜನ ಬಂದರೆ ದೂರ ಮಂದಿ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ crowded. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ crowded ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ದ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್. So magnetic field lines are crowded, the magnetic field strength will be more. So if the magnetic field lines are crowded, then we can say that the magnetic field strength is more. If it is the reverse case, if the magnetic field lines are not crowded, then the magnetic field strength is less. So that is, you can say, that is strength of the magnetic field. What is the strength? How it is depend? The closeness of the field lines. How close they are. How close they are in the sense crowdness. If they are highly crowded, they are highly close. If they are lessly crowded, they are away from each other. Okay. Closer lines show the stronger magnetic field. Closer lines shows the stronger magnetic field, and the stronger magnetic field means the lines are very very closer to each other. If there is a stronger magnetic field means the lines are very very close to each other. So this one you have to understand. Then if the lines are not closer to each other, the magnetic field strength will be less. Okay, so what you have to remember, the closer lines indicate the more strength of the magnet. That is, if the lines are very very closer to each other, if the lines, that is magnetic field lines, if the magnetic field lines are crowded, then we can say that magnetic field strength is more. Yes, if they are not crowded, magnetic field strength will be less. Okay. Next we will move properties of magnetic field lines. So what are the properties then? Properties of magnetic field lines. Yes, properties of magnetic field lines. So what are the properties magnetic field lines have? So very magnetic field lines adavalla, ivu properties enena? Okay, that one we will see. See here. So what are the properties of magnetic field lines? First one, these are imaginary, you know that already. Then what is the first one? They come closer near to the poles and they are widely separated at other poles. Okay, yes, first point, they come very near, they come or they are closer, they come closer near the poles, and they are separated, and they are widely separated at other, they are widely separated at other places, separated at other place. So look here, these two are poles. Okay, so if you look here, they all are coming closer near to the poles. ಇಲ್ಲಿ close ಬಂದಾಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಮೀಪ ಅದಾವು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ದೂರ ಅದಾವು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ ಮಾತು ಕೂಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾವು, ಸಮೀಪ ಆಗ್ಯಾವು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮೀಪ ಆಗ್ಯಾವು. In the sense, magnetic field lines are closer near the curves, closer near the poles. So magnetic field lines are closer near the poles and they are widely separated at other place. Other place in the sense here middle, they are widely separated. Why they separate? But ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, near the poles they are closer to the each other. So magnetic field lines are closer near the curves. Next, magnetic field lines are closed curves. Second one is magnetic field lines are closed curves. Magnetic field lines are, so you have to write 4 important properties are there. Magnetic field lines are closed curves. See, if you look here, so here if you look, these magnetic field lines are closed one, they are not open. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಬಂದ ಟಚ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಜಾಗ ಇರಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಟಚ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ, ಮುಂದಿನ ಜಾಗ ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೇನಂತೀವಿ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಹಿಂಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಐತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಕರ್ವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರೌಂಡ್ ಹೊಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಗೋರಿ, ಇದು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಂದು ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಜಾಗ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಜಾಗ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲರೇ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ closed curves. Magnetic field lines are closed curves. So that is very much important. Magnetic field lines are closed curves. I hope this much is clear. If you have any doubts, let me know. Okay. Then the third point. I hope these 2 points you have noted down. I will move to the third property or the third point. That is, they never intersect each other. Magnetic field lines never intersect each other. You can say they also. Magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Why is it happens so? Magnetic field lines never intersect each other. What is the reason behind it? Can you tell me why magnetic field lines never intersect each other? Because, I will tell you, because, see, first understand the properties. Magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Note it. If there any intersection is happening between any two field lines, see, they all are separated. Nothing is intersected like this. Intersect ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗೋದು. See, ಹಿಂಗ ಇದ್ರೆ these are not intersected. ಹಿಂಗ ಇದ್ರೆ not intersected. So how intersection? This is called intersection. ಎರಡು ಒಂದನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. That is intersection. You know that already. So these magnetic field lines never intersect each other. They will never intersect each other. See, ಹಿಂಗ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಇದು ಹಿಂಗ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಹೊರತು ಒಂದನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಭಾಳ ಸಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಾಗ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ, 100% ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ವೈ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ನೆವರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್, ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ವೈ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ನೆವರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, if they intersect each other, suppose ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೊಂದು ಐತಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋದ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So if they intersect each other, this is the point. ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಇರ್ತದೆ. 9th ಒಳಗೆ ಕಲ್ತಿರಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಪೆಟಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಫ್ಯೂಗಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಲಿ ತಿರುಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಬೋದು, ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಇದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಮುಂದೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎರಡಾದ್ರು. ಒಂದು ಫೀಲ್ಡಿಗೆ ಎರಡು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಫೀಲ್ಡಿಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಒಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಹೌದು, ಒಂದು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇರಲಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡರ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡರ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಇಟ್ ಕೆನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೂ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದೇ intersect each other, see how to say magnetic field lines never intersect each other, because if they intersect each other at the intersection point, it shows two directions of magnetic fields, which is impossible. That is why the magnetic field lines never intersect each other. I hope you understood. The magnetic field lines never intersect each other, because if they intersect, then at the intersection point we can observe two directions for magnetic field, which is impossible. That is why, or so, magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Okay, I hope this one is clear. So mark my words. I have not written on the board. This is very much important. Definitely question will be asked on this. Why magnetic field lines never intersect each other? The reason is because if they intersect at the intersection point, there will be two directions of magnetic field, which is not possible, which is impossible. So the magnetic fields never intersect each other. If they intersect at the intersection point, there will be two direction of magnetic field. Okay, if they intersect each other, it shows there will be two directions of magnetic field. So this is not possible. The magnetic field cannot have two directions. So that is the reason magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Okay, shall we move for the last one? Last one I have already told you. Last property, magnetic field lines starts from north and ends at south. The reverse direction is inside the magnet. Okay, magnetic field lines emerges from north pole. Emerge in the sense start. Magnetic field lines emerges from north pole. Emerges from north pole and merges andre end adu. Merges at south pole. Merges at south pole. Magnetic field lines emerges from north pole and merges at south pole. Inside the magnet it will be reverse direction. This is outside the magnet. This because magnetic field lines are outside. So magnetic field direction from outside is always from north to south. If it is inside, it is south from south to north. Okay, I hope this one is clear. So magnetic field lines are closed curves and they come closer near the poles and they are widely separated at other place. Okay, magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Magnetic field lines emerges from north pole and merges at south pole. So better you make this one as first point and this one as second point, because this gives the basic one. So this is you write it as, while writing this one you write as first point. This is first point, and after that you make this one as second point, third point, fourth point. So this is very much important. This fixed question is magnetic field lines ಕೇಳಬಹುದಾದಂತ fixed question ಇದೆ. Properties of magnetic field lines 4 ಅದಾವ, ಒಂದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ರಿ. ಅದರಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಥವಾ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಏನು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, why magnetic field lines never intersect each other. So ಎರಡನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಡಬೇಕು. Okay, I hope this much is clear. Shall we move for the next? Yes. So magnetic field lines never intersect each other, because if they intersect, then there will be two directions of magnetic field, which is not possible. So magnetic field lines will never intersect each other. Okay. So my dear students, so magnetic field near the pole is having more strength. Near the pole more strength irtada. Yaka? Because here the curves are more crowded. There is more closeness of the curves. So hence the magnetic field strength is more near the poles. Away from the poles, it is not more. Okay? So they are widely separated at other place, or you can say separated at away from the poles. Away from poles you can say. You can say this one also. At other place or at away from poles. At away from poles you can write down like that. So they in the sense magnetic field lines. That is why I told you write this first point. Magnetic field lines are closed curves. Second one we can use they. They come closer near the poles and they are widely separated at away from poles. So ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು, closer curves ಗೆ close ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ, but they are widely separated at away from the poles. Away from the poles they are widely separated. Magnetic field lines near never intersect each other. See, these magnetic field lines never intersect each other. If they intersect, at the point of intersection there will be two directions of magnetic field, which is not possible. Okay, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಂಪಾಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ತೋರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕಂಪಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಪಾಸ್ ನೀಡಲ್ that is used for the indication of the direction of magnetic field. So then it has to show two direction, which is not possible. So that is why, or so magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Okay, then magnetic field lines emerges from north pole and merges at south pole. So this one you please note down. So I will write the answer of this also, because many of you don't write that if I don't write it again. So I will write now just. Okay. So third point only, we will continue. Magnetic field lines never intersect each other because if they intersect at the point of intersection, there will be, this is very much important, okay, there will be two direction of magnetic fields, field, which is not possible, or impossible, we can say, which is impossible. So magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Okay. So two magnetic field lines or magnetic field lines never intersect each other because if they intersect, there should be some comma. If they intersect, then at the point of intersection there will be two directions of magnetic field, which is not possible or which is impossible. So magnetic field lines never intersect each other. So ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿತ ತಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್, ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಾಯಿಲ್, ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಥಂಬ್ ರೂಲ್, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೂ ರೂಲ್ ಅಂತೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಮುಂದಿನ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್.